Hi guys, welcome back. And this time I will go over questions that you have to use Desmos, okay? This is very easy, guys, because only thing that you actually have to do is put the questions into the Desmos and answer choices into Desmos as well, okay? But remember, when you put things into Desmos, you must know how to read the question. Now, if you do not know how to use Desmos, like if you don't know how to do any questions, just go to Desmos. That's what you need to do, okay? So let's go over this. Question number 2. If this is linear factor, which one of this one is gonna be what? Remaining factor of this, right? But as you can see, do you see you have 2 of this one? Remember this, always you have to put longer one divided by short one, okay? So, and in that case, it's better for you guys to use parentheses, or you can use something else, whichever you want, but I will use parentheses because it's better to put, what is it called? Minus 29x, use parentheses, okay? Now divide. Now you see it becomes fraction, it doesn't matter. So now I'm gonna put x plus 5. And did I make a mistake? Let's say, no. So we got this one, right? So do you see these two are the remaining factors? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put every single one of these answer choices and see which one crosses one of these 2 points, all right? 2x minus 1. Does it cross one of these 2 points? No, not at all. So that cannot be the answer. What about 2x plus 1? Yes, it does. So that's the answer. 3x minus 4. Oh yeah, this one does. 3x plus 4. It doesn't. X minus 5. It doesn't. Now, remember, if it is too complicated, just make sure you put one by one here and double check. First one, does it cross x intercept here? What I mean x intercept, does it cross one of these 2 points? No, that's why that cannot be the answer. Second one, does it cross? Yes, so that's the answer. Third one, does it cross? Yes, so that's the answer. Fourth one, does it cross? No. Fifth one, does it cross? No, that's why it's not. Do you see? Always use Desmos and organize it, because if you have like all 5 points like this, that's too complicated and looks very ugly, right? So just do one by one like that, okay? Now, let's go over question number 8. Same thing. Do you see if you read the question, this one also has like 2 of this one, and say which one is the remaining factor in the polynomial? Same thing. You're going to put this one into Desmos, okay? Oops, here we go. Now I'm gonna use parentheses again. So it's gonna be what, 12x to the what, 3rd power plus 31x squared minus 62x squared, no, 62x. And then what, plus 24, close the parentheses, divide by 4x minus 3. So I got this graph, right? And I'm gonna put every single one of these into plus 4 and see which one overlaps. So do you see the first one does not overlap? So I'm gonna mark that off just in case. But I may have made a mistake. In that case, I will check it again. 4x minus 3, x plus 4. It's not, okay, I'm gonna close it. This red and blue, oh, if you actually do it like this, you could have like confused, but no, this does not match. So this, I'm gonna cross it out. Third one, 3x minus 2, x plus 4. Bravo. Do you see this 2 like overlaps, red and purple? Like it's hard to see, but yeah, so that's the answer. This is how you do it. It's pretty simple, right? So if you pull it out, like these 2 does not match. So keep that in mind. It's very easy like this, okay? So now let's do question number 9. Oh, it says which one is equivalent to this one? And remember, you cannot put divide into Desmos because this one will change it to the fraction and it's gonna be complicated. So what I gotta do is you have to change it to multiplication and you gotta flip this too, okay? So this is what you do. So when you do the test, make sure you use scratch paper. So the first one, you just copy this one down. 3x minus 12 over x squared minus 36 times, so I'm gonna change it to the times and I'm gonna flip this to 12x plus 72 over 10x minus 60. And this one is not divide, this one is just times, right? So I'm gonna times and I'm gonna just copy this one as well. X squared minus 2x minus 24 over 6x squared minus 96. So I'm gonna cross that out so that I don't get confused. So that's why you gotta use your thing carefully. Scratch paper carefully. And remember, if you do not have anything that have in common, that means you made a mistake somewhere on the copying, okay? So I'm gonna put divide times divide times divide. Do you see now I have 3 fractions like this? And then I'm gonna put it 3x minus 12 and what? X squared minus 36 and 12x plus 72, 10x minus 60. On the top, x squared minus 2x minus 24 over 6x squared minus 96. So we got this graph, right? Always click home button on the Desmos here and you can see what it is. And do you see this? You're gonna put every single one of this one, but remember, you're not gonna put this into the Desmos, okay? So let's do this one. 5, I'm gonna put parentheses first. Parentheses, 5, not parentheses, divide. 5x minus 6 over 12, parentheses, x plus 6, close the parentheses, squared. Does that match? No. So first one, I'm gonna cross it out, but just in case, I'm gonna just I'm not gonna delete it because in case I made a mistake. Divide 5, x plus 6. Second one, what? 12, x minus 6, squared. It does not match, so that cannot be the answer. And I'm gonna not delete it, I'm gonna just mark it off and then go like this. 3, 5, parenthesis, x plus 6. It does not match, so that cannot be the answer. Do it. Divide 3, 5, parenthesis, x minus 6. Do you see these two matches? So that's gonna be the answer. But here, look. Let's say you like this. I put something wrong like this by mistake. That's why you gotta check. If you have nothing that matches like this, in that case, double check your answer choices or check what you flipped here, green, this one. Double check this one, okay? Because probably if you made a mistake, you're not gonna get anything that overlaps, right? But this one, but here, because you will make a mistake sometimes, and don't panic, okay?